What's up? And today I'm going to show you what rig I use to catch big rainbow trout and big browns. Okay, so follow me and I'm going to go out into my garage. So, what I use here is I use a good classic old, let's turn on these lights. I use a whistle. Now I caught a big brown on a this rig I'm gonna show you guys. So I was using this corky. See that corky on this lure? I wasn't using the lure. I was using. Hold on, let me put you guys down for a second. Hold on. These right here, see those? These smell like garlic. And yeah. And then I use a 6 size hook, as you can see here. Let me just hold on, guys. So this is a 6 size hook. 6 size hook. And if you want to go to the American Falls Reservoir, go to the falls and you can catch some nice fish. You see this blue lure right there? It's called a, go buy one of those. It's called a blue fox lure. It's blue. Go buy one of those and catch a fish. And then I use those to catch big fish. I use those garlic scented ones. Like that. Those corkies are garlic scented. And I use these, the green and the orange, that aren't garlic scented, that you can get at Walmart. And I use a rod that's like this. See that? My grandpa uses this rod right here, this second rod right here. He uses that rod. And, yeah, got some nice fish. Let me show you some I have caught on some nice lures. So, caught this guy. I caught this guy. I'll show you his lure in a minute, that I caught him on. And American Falls Reservoir, go to the falls on the left. I mean the right. Caught this guy on a worm. The bait I just showed you guys. Go to Haydens lunker. And you guys will see me reeling this fish right here. Big one, huh? At a little small creek right behind McTucker's. And then I caught this fish on a worm. And yeah, I caught some other fish on a worm. Caught this guy on a worm right here. This guy on a worm. And last one, this guy on a worm. They might be small, but I have caught a 6.5 pound brown. Go to Big Fish Little Pole and you will see me catch a huge freaking carp. Go to Haydens lunker and you will actually see me catch the fish. This fish. Go to Haydens lunker and you will actually see me catch this fish right here. Just go to Haydens lunker, guys. That fish. Let's Go to Haydens Lunker. And use my bait that I showed you. Go to the Snake River, the American Falls. Only use the blue fox lures, the green and silver. Anchor down right next to those falls, cast into the falls, reel in, and you might catch some smallmouths, rainbows, browns, and maybe some carp. So, use that bait I told you. Now, there's a billboard when you go around the circle. Me and my grandpa caught a 6.5 pound brown. Might not be on video, but it's still a big thing, guys. I will take a picture of it when it's done. So, yeah, that's the end of the video, but now you know what to use, when to use it. Well, not when to use it, I'll tell you when to use it. 5 in the morning and late at night. Also get some light things that put at the end of your pole so it will beep when you have a bite and the light will be on. Get some of those, 2 of them. If you're fishing with other people, get more. But use those. Here's when the fish. Nightfall, crack of dawn. Well, not the crack of dawn, but very early in the morning. And very late at night. And go to the Snake River, American Falls for the lures I showed you guys. And go to wherever you want, but you can use my rigs. And use about a sinker about that big. Put 3 on, 2 on, or maybe 1 on if you're fishing a lake. Guys, one thing. If you use anything else, you might catch something else. Go on to comment me and tell me what you guys use. I want to find out what you guys use. I don't know what you guys use. Because I don't know what you guys use. So, guys, use what you want to use. But try my technique sometime, maybe. I don't care if you do. Like and comment. And subscribe. Yeah, watch my videos. Go to Big Fish Little Pole. I caught a huge, massive carp on this little pole. This little ice pole. Let me get out in the sun for you guys. Look at that. That little pole I caught a carp on. Go to the Big Fish Little Pole. Big Fish Little Pole. Yeah, go to Big Fish Little Pole and you'll see me catch a massive carp on this little pole. Ice pole. At Snake River. Then go to Haydens Lunker to watch me catch a nice rainbow trout. I'm the guy with the blonde hair. It'll say Haydens Lunker. My name's Hayden Berry. Peace out, bros. See ya.